Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel YNAB subscription. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. The way is that you actually go to the app, top left, click on the three dots, and then click on settings and privacy. And from there you want to click on manage subscription with Apple. And it's basically going to take you to the same screen that you were just on. And this also works with an Android phone. So if you are on your iPhone, what you want to do is go to settings. From settings you want to click on your name at the top. From there you want to click on subscriptions, and once you're here, as you can see I have active subscription. I just have to click on it, and then in my case I'm on free trial, it says cancel free trial. But if you are on a paid plan, you're going to see cancel subscription. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.